Hi guys. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm from work and I want to go to town to run some quick errands. Anyway, I want to go to Bin Athman. I have to uh buy some household stuff. I have my basins zenye zimevunjika, so I have to go buy another ones. That's one thing I never prepared myself to do. Well, moving out. The ones that I was using were not mine, they were for my friend mwenye kwa naishi kwenye nyumba. Mine nilinunua then time nikazewa kwa bishti yangu ni mbali, so I just nimeamua kumwachia, so I want to go buy another ones because zenye nimeachiwa zimeanza moja ishapasuka, the rest are more like zimekoza kitambo. So I've been postponing not buying basins and those are full, so let me just go buy them. I just get over it. So yeah, this is my outfit at this time. E-short memezoea, and I think you've seen this stuff. Anyway, that's one thing that I do. I repeat my clothes, they're mine. So this is the short I'm wearing with this top because it's super hot in Mombasa right now. Then I'll just wear open shoes, ziko hapo kwa mlango. Yeah, so let's go along. Before I forget, because I know I can forget and not do this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kahonzi, and if you are returnee, welcome back. I really appreciate you coming back. Today we are just doing a short vlog. Spend a day with me as I go to town, come back, and fold my clothes. Nearly 4 hours, so they're still on the bed. So I have to just come, fold, and I think mop my house. That's it. So it will be just a one-day vlog, a short vlog. Yeah, so let's go. Hope you'll enjoy. Where hiyo jua, look how hot it is. Just look how hot it is. I'm rethinking, should I do this? Should I let it? Because nikisema naenda jioni saa 9, it will be so late that kutajaa. Ben Athman is a place kwenye kunajaa sana, so yeah. I love how much overproof I've become with my eyeliner. Okay, anyway, let's go. Bro. Yes. Na visu. Hapa kwa vijiko ndo mnaenda kunimaliza. Hivi vijiko at least niko vidogo muuza bei nyingine ningechukua mara 3.
Hizo bei yake cha.
Kuna shemegi haha wala chawi.
Wewe usinike ngona.
Na mala vijiko.
Gonya una mala yambo na chini. Ni mara zonera na nendera.
Na mala uniguzire kimenga shilingi 50 joviti.
Amba wewe kwa sababu unaona visawa vina
hivi mimi semi hivi nasema hivi.
Namba zosini.
Sawa, viko tofauti bwana. Came a little bit earlier, but I came in with a friend, so I didn't record earlier. But here's all that I got from town, and you can have a box full of any bit more, but it's not a lot of things, just few. Then here's some cosmetics that I bought also from some shops. So let's unbox. I can show you guys what I bought. outside playing. They're really shouting. Like I hate and I hate it. Wait. Just a minute. Mweza ongea pole pole, niko na darasa hapa. Mweza ongea pole pole ama mcheze huko kando, niko na klasi yaendelea. Mcheze huko kwenu. Santeni. So what I bought today is this and this. So let's unbox. First I'll start with these ones. I bought these cute spoons. They are stainless, even on the same, so hopefully they go for 50 bob each, plus this knife 100 bob. So I don't remember the place. Okay, not the place, but I didn't take any details from them. First of all, I bought this cute cup for just 75 bob. Yeah, and this is part of my gift. I've decided to be gifting myself every month, so I bought this one this month, and I'll show you another gift. Got these two cute storage containers. This one especially, it's more of for me to carry at work, and this one just in case I want to pack something, I can pack it, because I do not have a storage container at all. I got this mug. I really feel it's big though. These two, one is 20 bob, another one is 40 bob. So I guess this is 20 bob, this is 40 bob. This jug goes for 50 bob. The glass, this cup, I said it's 75 bob. Then I got this cute plates. I don't know if they're what the size, but yeah, they will go for 60 bob each. So I got 3. Nowadays I prefer buying things in a set, so I buy things in set of 3. So I got this. I love this black part, the white. So got this. Show you guys this later. I also got this basins. Hizi ndo zilinipeleka. I wanted basins for laundry. Mine siliamua kupotelea kwenye zilipotelea, but yeah, I got this too, and this go for 120 each. I've always wanted like to buy the wine glasses, so decided like since I moved out. So it being this is also one of the things that I decided to gift myself. So yeah, they go for 550 and they come in a set of 6 glasses. This is how they come in. Yeah, so at this point nimekuwa clumsy, but hope they are long lasting. I saw them in China Square, but they was kind of expensive, so I have to wash them. So this is the other thing that I got. Few cosmetics, I think 2 or so, and I got some stuff. So first of all, I got this Cosmo from Birthlade. I got this Cosmo Soft and Shine moisturizer for my hair. Yeah, I have the Miracle Twist, and my mousse is over, my treatment is over. In short, everything to take care of this hair is over. So I went to Best Lady, nikauliza kama I can get something for the hand. One of the girls recommended this one, so hope it works, and she said that I can also use it nikitoa nywele. So after that I got this goes for 390. This goes for 150. After I'm gonna Zamisha, so I'll be using this one from now on. I got it helps with the shining. Got this for 60 bob, and I also got this perfume, a Luron perfume. It's vanilla. It's a vanilla fragrance, and I really love. hiyo harufu. So yeah, now if you can see me, but yeah, that's all that I got. That's all that I got today. I got today. I was supposed to do this kitambo. So like now, I was supposed even to like tuanisha hizo nguo nizikunje and try if I can mop my house. I've been postponing cleaning my house, but I'm supposed to do it today. So let me put these things away, then clean. Then I see what I'll eat for supper. Cause where? So this is the state of my house. To that point, to this point, to this point, to this point. Yes. So I want to like remove these clothes. Even the hanger is empty at this point. Yeah, so I want to like remove hizo zeke hapa, then take this in the kitchen and wash them. Yeah, so and my phone currently is giving me warning of overheating, so I won't record this part, but when I'm done I'll show you. So this is how my house looks right now. I'm done cleaning, so removed everything. I arranged my clothes back, my shoes, though that I'll wash them nikifanya laundry. And my space, decided to put things in there. So yeah, I've finished cleaning. This is my kitchen. I haven't finished everything, just from eating. Choker. Anyway, hope you guys hear me. And I also washed. Yeah, so I want to sleep right now. So I've already eaten, showered, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying. Thank you for staying up to the end of this vlog. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And remember, God loves you. Bye. Good night.